Hello grammar enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a new topic which is 10 different ways to say okay. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expression. 10 different ways to say okay. Acceptable. Let's split the bill evenly. That's expectable. Approved. You are not approved for the loan. Satisfactory. The test results were satisfactory. Adequate. Your performance this month was adequate. Serviceable. This car is serviceable but not new. Usable. The tool is usable though a bit outdated. Suitable. I think I have a suitable candidate for you. Capable. She is capable of handling the project on her own. Legitimate. These documents appear legitimate. Valid. Your parking ticket is valid. Please pay the fine.